So here we are, we're in this Shopify store, and one of the things it looks at is Google Analytics. So let's go over how to set that up. You can start Google Analytics for free, which is creating a Google account first. Now if you already have an account, you can just log in. So I will do that now. So in this store, this Google Analytics is for one of my businesses called Gorilla Geek Company. And here we're going to look at what you actually need so that you can sync up your Google Analytics with your website. So you're going to go to this admin right here, and then you're going to click on create new account. So you're going to give this account a name. And so this is a website, and then we're going to give it a name, name the website, type in your URL, select a category, put in your time zone, and then put in what type of data sharing options you want, and then click Get Tracking ID. Now, I've already done this, so let's go back here. Alright. Once you create your account, you're going to come over here to this property side. You're going to come to Tracking Info. Alright, you're going to get the tracking code. Alright, so for Shopify, you only need this, right? Paste your code right there. Done.